Okay, so this is our lab ready. Server A, server B. Server A has Active Directory and server B is connected with the Active Directory. Server B is configured. Server A and B is configured as per lab. So as per lab required, this one. Okay, so this is configured. Now we are going to do this last one. So first of all, we are going to configure this server A VM machine. So we have to go in processor. We have to click that that virtualization Intel VT should be enabled, and then we are going to click OK, and now we are going to power on, and so we are going to log in into our administrator password. So there was some error, so I'm just trying again with the password. Cannot sign in with the credential because your domain isn't available. Make sure device is connected. Okay, so my server is not turned on. That is why it was showing me error. Okay, need to start A and then we will going to try with the server B because our Active Directory is not installed. Okay, so now our Active Directory is on, and now we are going to try again over here. Okay, so okay, so working now. So now our server manager is here. So we're going to install a new role called hypervisor. So this one is Hyper-V. Okay. And connect, and then we have to select this virtual switch. Okay, and then we have to just click and need to restart. Okay, and you want to install this one. So this will install a Hyper-V on the server P. Okay, so this is installation progress. A restart will be pending. You must restart this one. So okay, so we are going to restart this box, and what's one English refresh conversion. Okay, so we are going to restart this. Okay, now we are going to install a VM, Hyper VM. Okay, so Hyper VM is already installed here, uh, and now we are going to create a new virtual machine in this one. So now we are going to go in tools and clicking Hyper-V Manager, and we are on server B. We are going to create a new and create a virtual machine, and we're going to click next. And here we are going to give the virtual machine a name called vmachine1. vmachine1. Okay, next. Okay, which place is Hyper-V? Leave it alone. Okay, we are going to create this one. We are going to use memory. So would be enough. I put it to somewhere. Okay. Click next, and the connection we are going to use virtual switch. And okay, so we have to go a little bit back from here, and we are just going to use 32 MB RAM, and then we'll go to next and next, and we have to create a hard drive. And we're going to use 15 GB space, and click next, and we are going to complete the new, going to install operating system later, and going to finish these things. So this one is creating a new virtual machine. Here you can see this virtual machine is created here on the Hyper-V. Okay guys, so now we are going to configure dynamic memory uh, in the Hyper-V. So for example, if in this exercise we have created a VM machine one, so we're going to right click and we're going to click on setting, and then we can go in the memory, and in the starting it says normally 32, we can put 256 starting memory. Enable dynamic, so we can put minimum 128, and maximum RAM we can put 480. Okay, and maximum buffer box we can put 50%, and memory weightage we are going to put right in the high, and we can apply, and okay. So this is our lab 25.3. So now we are going to do the same operation with the PowerShell. Okay, so to copy paste command, I'm just going to configure this VM tool. So otherwise we have to type all the commands, which is nightmare. Is finished. We're going to restate later. Okay. right, so now we are configuring another virtual machine. Okay, called v machine 2 with gen 2. Okay, so with generation 2, and virtual hard drive startup memory would be 512 MB. Okay, and put same network, and hard drive, virtual hard drive would be 127 GB. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so is virtual VM2 is configured. So now we are going to do same. Open. Okay, so for example, if I wanted to create the same machine, same sort of machine, okay, so I can use this command. Give me a second. If maybe I can PowerShell. Uh, so this parameter is not right. Okay, so I'm just going to change some things because V2 I already created. So I'm just going to change the name of this V3, V3. All other thing would be the same. So I'm going to hit the new. Okay, so it's just some kind of error is coming. Your PowerShell or Windows executive command. Executive command was command to configure to use dynamic. I'm not sure why this command is not working on this one. Okay, so this command has some sort of uh, error. So I just wanted to create something. So I'm trying. Oh no. So it has some sort of issue. So I'm just trying to figure out what's the problem with this. Okay. So clear. Okay. Okay, so if you check this thing here, hyper-v, this third is running. So this is the right command. I pasted here. Okay, and if we wanted to create that with dynamic, so we can try. Give me a second. So the another command would be like this. Okay, so I'm just going to change to 4. Okay, so the new is here. Okay, so 3 we can change 3 here. So sorry. So if you wanted to change, because in the second part, then we are going to change to use dynamic memory. So we are going to use this command. And now if you see number 3, settings, memory. So it's not using dynamic. So now I'm going to run this command on PowerShell, and it will going to use, we're going to change to the dynamic. So now you can change, it's just updated the dynamic setting. So that's how you can use on the PowerShell command these commands. So there is some issue with the lab manual and with the command syntax. So this is the right commands you can use. All right, so this is ending of lab 25. So hope it would help. Thank you.